Hey guys, today, I'll use this to trade for that. Boss. Hello, boss. Hey, hello there, can I borrow $2? Do you need bus fare? Just borrow $2. Can I borrow it? Sure, no problem. $2 is fine. Thanks, thank you, boss. Alright. Thank you so much. Okay. Hey, boss, how much is a lottery ticket? Is it $2 or $3 a ticket? Well, I buy a lot of tickets anyway. Alright, let me buy a ticket. Buy a lottery ticket. Hey boss, don't worry, I'm a miniature model designer. I won't just take the ticket for free. I'll give you an extra ticket later. Alright then, print one for him. 2 numbers. Thanks, boss. Alright. If you win the jackpot, boss, I'll share it with you. No. Okay, thanks, boss. Round 1. Last time a fan asked me, my prints keep failing. What should I do? To avoid fails, use quos. I use this newly released P2S. Industrial grade stability at a home use price. It helps me create more miniature models. Boss, hello. Do you remember me? I'm here to give you a gift. Right? Here, this is for you. What is this thing? It won't cause trouble, will it? This is a feng shui ornament I made for you. Boss, take a look at it for me. Let me see. Whoa, this is great. Wow, this figure looks just like me. Even the poster behind it is identical. As a feng shui ornament, placing it here attracts wealth and treasure. Boss, there's a saying, a shop within a shop brings continuous blessings, endless wealth, and lasting prosperity. Boss 1, seeing we're connected by fate today, I'll trade this for something. Trade for what? For this. What, 50 of them? 5 lottery tickets. Take it easy. No. I mean this. That won't do. Look, boss, I spent so much time making this. And it looks pretty authentic, right? This is really well made. If you were selling this outside, roughly how much would it cost? For a custom order, maybe $1,000 or $2,000. So, swapping for 50 of these things, right? Forget it then. I think I'll just take 10. You see, 10 is just shameless. How about 40? Can't do 40 as a minimum. 20 is the absolute most I can give you. Tell you what, boss. Let's be friends. Make it 3. Can't hear you, boss. Fine, okay. Alright, thank you, boss. This. How much is this one? This is $10 each. The total is $600. How about 50 each? No way, that's even more impossible. How did you come up with this budget? Okay, boss. Who keeps the winnings if I scratch a winner? Just give me a cut of the prize money. The rest doesn't matter. Thanks, boss. Hey, hello, boss. Boss, can I swap for a $20 one? Sure. So the $20 ones, 60 or 50? No, these are all $10 ones. That's 60 tickets. These are $20 ones. That's 30 tickets. The total value is the same. Okay, got it. Thank you, boss. After today, call me Little Who or Boss Who. Depending on these lottery tickets. Otherwise, I just look for 7s, right? Machem. Yeah, just Little High is fine. Whoa. Beautiful. Boss, I won. Boss. You've done this before, huh? Winning 20 isn't normal. Okay. You go back. To shame. I'm like this. How did we get here? This thing. Nice method. 3,000 years. Every year, it's young people. Entered. Nice method. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Boss, can you check how much I owe? Let me calculate. Here. 310 total. I'll scan to pay you. Ah, okay, good. Which QR code? WeChat payment received. 310 yuan. Boss, I'll be heading off then. Thanks again, boss. I'll upload the model to Tuazujia's MW community. Interested folks can download and print it to try.